Third problem, express the following statements as a linear equation in two variables. So we have to write the given information in a linear equation form that will be in with two variables. So let us start. In solution, let us write, we don't know the two numbers, so let the required numbers be x and y. Now what is given? So given that if we add these two, then we are getting 34. So x plus y is equals to 34. Bring this 34 here. So x plus y minus 34 is equals to 0. Second bit, the cost of a ball pen is rupees 5 less than the half the cost of a fountain pen. So we don't know the cost of a fountain pen as well as the cost of the ball pen. So let us take in solution, let the cost of a fountain pen be x. Let this is be the cost of fountain pen. Next, and the cost of a ball pen be y. Then by the problem, so according to this problem, the cost of a ball pen is, that is y is equals to minus 5. It is 5 less than half the cost of ball pen, fountain pen. So that is x. Now we can multiply these two with 5. So we get y is equals to x 1s are x minus 2 5s are 10 by 2. 2 into y is 2y is equals to x minus 10. Send this 2y to that side, it will become negative. So x minus 2y minus 10 is equals to 0. This is the required equation. Third bit, Bhargavi got 10 more marks than double the marks of Sindhu. So we don't know the marks of Sindhu as well as Bhargavi. So let us take the marks of Sindhu as x and the marks of Bhargavi as y. So in solution, let us write, so let the marks of Sindhu is equals to x and the marks of Bhargavi is equals to y. So according to this problem, so then by the problem, y is equals to, that is the marks of Bhargavi is equals to 10 more. 10 more means plus 10. Then double the marks of Sindhu. Double the marks of Sindhu. Let us send this to that side. It will become 2x minus y plus 10 is equals to 0. So this is the required equation. Fourth bit, the cost of a pencil is rupees 2 and one ball point pen cost rupees 15. Sheila pays rupees 100 for the pencils and pens she purchased. So they have already given the cost of pencil and the pen, but we don't know how many pencils she bought or how many pens she bought. So, and the total cost is also given, that is rupees 100. So let us start the problem. In solution, let us write, so what is given? Given the cost of pencil is equals to rupees 2 and the cost of pen is equals to rupees 15. Then next, we don't know how many pencils she bought. So let the number of pencils purchased is equals to X, and the number of pens purchased is equals to Y. Next, for pens and pencils, the total cost will be then total cost of pencils is equals to, we need to multiply these two, 2 into X, so 2X, and the total cost of pens is equals to 15Y. Next, according to the problem or given in the problem, that is, if we add these two, 2x plus 15y is equals to 100. So this is the required equation. Fifth bit, Yamini and Fatima of class 9 together contributed rupees 200 towards the Prime Minister's Relief Fund. So both the girls, they have paid or they have contributed the amount 200 together towards the Prime Minister Relief Fund, that is PMRF. So let us take in solution, let the amount contributed by Yamini is equals to X, and the amount contributed by Fatima is equals to Y. Then by the problem, if we add these two, we will get the sum as 200. Sixth bit, the sum of a two-digit number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digits is 121 if the digits in units and tens place are X and Y. Digits in units place is X and tens place is Y. So we have to write this in equation form. So let us write in solution. So first of all, let the number be 10y plus x. So in tens place it is y, that's why 10y plus x. Now the number obtained by reversing the digits, so that will be 10x plus y. Next we have to add this 2. So they have given that the sum of the two-digit number and its reverse, if we add this 2, we are getting 121. So given sum of the two numbers is equals to 121. So that will be 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equals to 121. So x plus 10x is 11x plus 11y. 10y plus y is 11y is equals to 121. Now 11 is common, so x plus y is equals to 11 11s 121. So 11 11 cancel. So therefore the required equation is x plus y is equals to 11.